Hello class and welcome to week 2 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you'll be working on the Tech Learning Resource Week 2A and also the Tech Learning Resource Week 2B assignments. They're both found in the Learning Modules, which is on the left side on the side panel in Blackboard, and they're under the Tech Learning Module or Technology Module. For this week, you'll be doing some more readings having to do with technology, cyber threats, cyber harassment, and women. You'll be looking at the article, or reading the article, I should say, A Female Writer's New Milestone, Her First Death Threat. Also, How to Stop Bullies by Bezalon. And there is a video, Why We Have Too Few Women Leaders, that I'd like you to look at. Your posting for this week, you have several leading up to the essay. Your tech essays due at the end of the week. So it's kind of a compact week. So please pace yourselves and check the calendar daily. For this week, your first post is going to be your Tech Week 2 discussion post. It'll be chart analysis. You may be familiar with this a little bit, but I've added a few more things to this. So not only will you be selecting a quote from the readings and explaining how the quote is important, but then you're going to, in the last column, explain how the three quotes are connected. In addition to that, you're going to have to, at the bottom of the chart, you're going to write a 2 to 3 paragraph summary of what each of these articles have said about the topic. You will need to include at least one quotation from each of the 3 readings in your 2 to 3 paragraphs. Make sure to introduce a quote with the author's name. You may say, Bezalon says, comma, and then the quote. At the end of the quote, you will give me the page or paragraph number where that was found. After you post your chart on the discussion board, you will need to respond to at least 2 other posts by building on what someone has said, explaining more information, asking a probing question, sharing some kind of insight that you've read, offer some kind of support or opinion, validate their ideas, expand on the post, and so forth. So instead of just saying, I like your post, I want you to really expand on that. So that is for week 2A. For week 2B, you will be beginning to prepare now for the writing of your essay. This is a research essay, so it's based 80% on your ideas based on what you know about cyber harassment. But also, you're also going to be drawing upon the readings. So you're going to integrate ideas from outside sources that you've been reading in class, that you've researched, and you're going to integrate them seamlessly into your essay. So Lumen for this week, and just as a reminder, Lumen is found on the navigation bar in Blackboard. Lumen will talk about grammar, mechanics, revising, editing, those things that you will be doing in your class this week. There's also an MLA 8 tutorial for those of you who are not familiar with how to integrate a quote or how to formulate a works cited page in MLA 8. This is for you. Scrolling a little quickly here, but the technology essay criteria is right here as well. It's on the assignments tab, and it's also in the learning module for week 2B. So please make sure to answer the questions. Your essay will be 3 to 4 pages long, typed in Verdana, double space, not single space, please, typed in Word, and you will upload it in assignments, and I will show you that. Before I go to where you will upload your final assignment at the end of the week, I want to share with you that you also have another posting on the discussion board for the MLA format practice. All you have to do is to show me that you know how to format your paper. You may look at Lumen for help, but use Verdana font, size 12. Give me a header, double space, give me a heading, and a title. And finally, not finally, but you will also be doing a peer review. Once you have finished your essay, you will be uploading it to assignments. and you will be following the information, underlining your thesis, highlighting or underlining it, and then you're going to respond to two other people's posting of their essays. You'll be reading two other essays and offering some comments, what you agree with, what you disagree with, what you like that they're doing, what you can offer some help with. Finally, let me show you where to upload the final draft of your essay. You'll go to assignments, you'll look for the essay. Here it is, the technology essay. You will go to the tab that tells you how to upload it. Browse my computer. If you've saved it to your computer, you go ahead, you attach it, and then you hit submit. That's where you will be submitting your essay. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.